Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs in Lake Havasu, Arizona, and today we're finishing up work on John and Rebecca's 73 Datsun Z. We got it up. Up in the air doing a final check on things, and you gotta check the outside. You gotta check the underside of this out. Check out these suspension pieces. Billet, heim joints, sway bar, Willwood disc brakes. It is track ready underneath. It still has the original straight 6, but that's been built. It's pushing out some big horsepower for one of these. Stainless exhaust, header, big oil pan. Got to keep it cool. That's how we do it. We keep it cool. Aluminum drive shaft. And check out this back cradle. All billet aluminum. Coated, anodized, sway bar, more Willwood disc brakes. Look at that, it's so new it still has the hash marks from machining. Gotta put some miles on this. Stainless muffler. Look at that. Look at that machine work. Ah, man, it's so cool looking the way they do that. Saw this too. K&E, made in USA. USA made parts on the Z. Yeah, that big shield. A lot of good stuff on here, a lot of good stuff. It came in and it looked like it was a finished car, but it really wasn't. We did a lot of wiring, we installed AC. These cars never came with AC, so there's no like factory swap out kit for them. We'll drop it down and I'll show you the top side. Like legit carbon fiber. Konig wheels, 16s, more carbon fiber. It's a serious car, very serious. Sun's just coming up. Good time to show you the LEDs on the interior of the Z. Made those custom panels for the doors, the orange LED lighting. These panels match the seats that were previously done elsewhere. So John had the seats custom made, and the rest of the interior is really just stock door panels. And these I made to tie it all together. Super cool. It's got a little orange LED interior light that lights the place up too. And the headliner, 4-point cage in it. We did a nice little orange stitching on the shifter boot. Ties it all together. Usually 99% of the time here in Havasu we have sun. This is like one of 3 days out of the year that we don't have sun. But I ain't complaining about that. I ain't complaining. I just wish the sun was out. Show off that orange paint. It's a great color. Even in the haze, it's a great color. Shows off those body lines nice. Look at that stance though. Drop coils. Purring away. Electric fans are going. Pretty nice. Woo! She revs nice. Got a deeper tone to the exhaust so you can hear it purr. I don't know. I never owned a straight six of any kind, so if you have, let me know what you think, how it sounds in the comments. Sounds good to me though. I think it would shut down some V8s. That'd be a hard pill to swallow for the V8 boys. It's got we installed power windows on it with the handle here. Super cool retro fit. Kill that. All right.
Thank you. We appreciate you riding along with us on this one.